obesari waka mbawi
ana kan
Busuyama okwa biom from Ghana and Sem TV so edi amje so any promise
nimze musa dankwa a credible person wasadi aba say Dr. Bawumia a lead in the polls but other persons why no suggest otherwise HSA Dr. Bawumia A3k3 with Kenya Japan but whatever it is a few months na barely 4 months na makwa kwatuaba but say it is saying because there have been people who are saying say Mode Bawumia ba obesari waka mbawi
ana kan Ken
enye Ken nko
okay
yeah nkofo bi eni umedi nkomo ha eno Owusu Bempah so mo am prophet or the abasa awo ne mo say
mina te say enye ndisi for prophet MPP prophet
there be say no MPP ni abufontia
enye there be any mean diagnose
there before 8 years ni nyina yi no say
the optics now okobo empire Emma John say John Nyankopon say enti enye kasa nyame nipa ba kwa MPP dia ne meka so ye ndisi
there be ono wanfa horn bi amajo mahama at least what the horn man na akufu
but we do okobo empire man say Nyankopon say only president bi
but we okobo empire no the horn but we nso the horn say
okobo nyame nipa na so MPP
oh
the MPP ba dey make so ye NDC dey o ye nyi hon film o ye MPP do dey make so o ye NDC
obompa bebre mamo but o say Mode Bawumia ba obelusu
eno oka no after election na before
election say enre ya dey oka ye na trending
oh debi tie ni ye the eno dey trending no a o mo dey chem sesi ya no o say say na o say NDC for to me conform Sena anano MPP for ko lose election ka say we dey abedechi be be lose election
oh we dey was repeat mesa ball no atino
okay obetimi asanso abo
ma ball no atino no uti na ke wa clear say wa won ni wo mo say mo
entino entino sena oye last election no ono ye oka say Bawumia enwini but John Mahama ebe wini so atiase so no a ono aso be ka say skills sesi a NDC for almost skill no almost 2 minutes there eco so I say good and at start of the year ne best start no ono aso kwa ka say Ken e be wi ni meboa enemy here start of the year Owusu Bempah also Ken e be wi ni meboa na and at the end of the day ye ko ekon meboa na and this say ye ko enti ye ko na se ye bedu ho no mo a ye adwuma so na obo ne empire na so ye boy ye
enti ne kakra bi
for musumuntie mo de
NPP listen to your prophetic word
MPP mistake amoye ni bre bi atwa mu no
you see the mistake
mo san head towards the same mistake mo hwe ya mo so mo better opposition sa na mo da so te wo
now the mistake you did some time ago you are still committing the same mistake. And if you are not careful, you remain in opposition.
Semunim namo kofa nia enya nyame choice. Namo for so di nia enya nyame choice ba.
I say MVP. Munim namo ko ye
vice president who asem anoka.
Na say unim na okofa the enya nyame choice na ko ye we
dey. Mistake na Dr. Bawumia. Maybe okay kabum ye. So benya tete.
Omo jilidi na jinidi mama hasa mama yen hoso na ye. Me come presby sorry.
Okay.
Bomb higher you are Nyankopon on mama the direction.
Direction Dr. Bawumia.
The kwana me win. Dr. Bawumia na o win. About to ono na ebe win he. Oko eye clear even Musa Dankwa, you have always seen me. I'm not for him. They we are me bashino. Me so and then me man any credibility to his polls. But the other by two hobby and against Bawumia. And then ono ekoye bi ba no. Or say Ghana for voters. Omo check here. Omo person mo bet me ato abama omo Ghana no. 57% say omo beto ama Bawumia. But what I say? And 27 say 29. Some beto ama Ken. And here Ghana for. And onwa Musa Dankwa ya eya mukotu ni onwa. Osanso so eba MPP for aba ye kokoto no. And no say MPP for ekoto no. Omo check here no 47%. Musa Dankwa ya na onwa ba February March hono eka se Bawumia obelusu. Onwa ne ba ye no ka se Ghana for mpe Bawumia. After 8 months minimum di assessment Musa Dankwa ya ena all kasa die we enti ye de ane se ye ejuma ye boy empire ye tu ya namo ye ejuma patwa ti ase good ena professor ɛwɔ Ghana ha say it no ɛnyɛ baako pɛ na ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna Nyankopɔn ɔse o reveal in parts o reveal the other in parts the say na ɔno hu ni part no saa na ebi so ehu ɔmo part a ɔmo ka sɛ Bawumia be wini ɛno so so no yenim prophets bebree aba out ɛkasa ɔmo ka bi a ɛka bi tie yɛn yenim bebree Abraham said, okay, I say you win last elections. They see our boss here be win spiritual president. The onumpona or yema running mate, you know, or can ye or say John be win or the running mate win about can 2021 spiritual president. Or no also asamba or say Bawumia ebe win Joshua J. Or can say MPP be lu supporter Joshua J. was answer about out or say Bawumia be win and your nunkwa walasi or ye way or say MPP ebe lu supporter or no answer about enti. Owusu Bempah ono so ehune de eye ono so ne da ye ne bebi ekopie no no ena ebi so epie ena Bible mu there are some prophets na me say no Israel on be kokon omo nyina ka say ekoha ba ko pe ekoka say ebekoha no ono ne de na ebe mu enti we are not worried about that in the realms no omo ne call realms wo ye ni hobby into the yenya o masema o na ye ye physical enyuma I was here moving we'll move on it and then we'll work on it because the reasons why Ghanaian vote we know about it we are
Honorable Afriyie essay honorable if anything so for no ha sa kwa no Reverend Owusu Bempah ne nsɛm a ɔde bɛto abɔnten ɛfa nipa a wɔsɛ MPP de ne ba ansana MPP betimi ewini election no ɔkyerɛ mu sɛ ne kura bia enimu a ɔno hu ne sɛ bosremuka ade bi na ɔsɔfoɔ no ɛyɛ anaaso sɛ nipa na ɔno no ɛka na asɛm sɛ ɔno na Nyankopɔn sɛ yɛmfa ne mbra no ebia na wakɔgye bibi ɛwɔ ne hɔnom ɛno nti ɛna ma ne bɛka asɛm na asɛm yi ɔkae no ɛyɛ asɛm a has sparked a lot of conversations ɛwɔ media no so busua anya asɛm ketewa na yɛne amafo kodi nkɔmɔ na nkɔmɔde die ne mu no na yɛbusa na obi bɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔno no hwɛ ɔsɔfoɔ Owusu Bempah asɛm na ɔka na hunu no sɛ ɔsɔfoɔ Owusu Bempah no nka no korɛ ɛsan sɛ ɔno na bɛka kyerɛ sɛ John Dramani Mahama intimi ndi mampanyini ɛwɔ Ghana hanom biom na Nyankopɔn like adomino we ni din every ni pon betime di mampanyini wɔ man no mu so ɔbɛkae a ɛno no endi nansa Owusu Bempah kro ya asan so ba ya ɔse afei Nyankopɔn se ɛyɛ ye papa President John Dramani Mahama ɛwɔ sɛ ɔsan bɛdi Ghana mampanyini biom enti we nkwa no kwakɛ no contradicte ɛyɛ nsɛm a Owusu Bempah ɛde to dware fa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no so when Okan's asem way no I was like, okay, from what you are saying no a bit me no clear because so what say Nyankopon Yichira will say John Mahama ntiminya president biom and it's not going to happen. It's not like natural say and yes say bia eye bosremu kan asem na woka ade a ochim say Nyankopon na eden eyi acho what you say na say Nyankopon eyi achira wo dia Nyankopon nye nipa na wadi atoro tio Nyankopon nye nipa na wadi atoro so Nyankopon na catch wo dia then it should be true. So why is John Dramani Mahama the president now? That is the question I got for in hearing ebusa almost say the cano ye no crane that to say no cry then why is John Dramani Mahama the president now? Because from what you are saying he needs to be a president in Ibium. But today, he is the president of the Republic of Ghana, which means that you are a liar, or the person you claim to tell you what Udi can be lied to you. You understand? That is what Ghanaians are actually what saying. That's what they are saying. And guys, see, let me tell you something about this. So for Owusu Bempah, you see, he's been saying a lot of things that is not true. A lot of things that is not true. And see, all these pastors and all these people, they always make people believe that whatever they are saying is true. But in real, no, them themselves know that what they are telling you, no, it is not true. And the reason I'm saying that is that we've seen a lot of people claiming to be telling things that they claim say and occur, but it ends up to be lies. Yes, it ends up to be lies. So I don't know who is deceiving who, but this is the story.